Good evening, students. I hope you all well at home by the God's grace. Today in our online video class, we are going to learn a new chapter, Measurements, in Term 2. Watch the video carefully without any distractions till the end and learn everything thoroughly without any mistakes. Now let us learn the new chapter. At the end of this class, you will be able to understand the concept of area and circumference of a circle, the area of circular and rectangular pathways. We have already studied the closed shapes such as rectangle and square having area and perimeter, pasting of tiles on a wall, paving a parking lot with stones, fencing a field or ground, etc. are some of the places where the knowledge of area and perimeter of a rectangle are essential. In this chapter, we extend this concept to circles. The best example of a circle is the wheel. The invention of the wheel is the greatest achievement of mankind. In our daily life, we come across many circular shapes in various places. For understanding of circular shapes, put a pin on a board, put a loop of string around it and insert a pencil into the loop. Keep the string stretched and draw with the pencil. The pencil traces out a circle. The position of the pin on the board is the center. The length of the string is the radius. While tracing a circle, two positions of the string which falls on a straight line, which is the diameter of a circle. Therefore, it is twice the radius, which is called a diameter. That is, d is equal to 2r. Circumference of a circle. All circles are similar to one another. So the ratio of the circumference to that of diameter is a constant. That is, circumference divided by diameter is equal to constant. Say pi. The approximate value of pi is 3.14. Therefore, circumference is divided by d is equal to pi, which implies that circumference is equal to pi into d. Since the diameter is twice the value of radius, that is d is equal to 2r, which implies that circumference is c is equal to pi into 2r. So the above equation can be written as circumference is equal to 2 pi r units. Obviously now we see that circumference c is equal to pi into d and d is equal to 2r. Thus, for any circle with given radius r or diameter d, we can find the circumference and vice versa. Now let us see some of the examples for calculating circumference of the circle. Calculate the circumference for the following diagram. From the diagram we can say that the diameter is equal to 6 cm. We know that the formula for finding the circumference is equal to pi into d. Also we know that the constant value of pi is equal to 3.14. By using this value of pi and d in the formula of circumference, we get circumference is equal to 3.14 into 6 cm, which is equal to 18.84 cm. Let us see another example of finding circumference of the circle. What is the circumference of the circular disc of radius 14 cm? The given radius r is equal to 14 cm. And we know that the formula for finding the circumference is equal to 2 pi r units. Using the value of pi and r in the formula of circumference, we get circumference is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 14. By dividing 14 by 7, we get 2 times. Therefore, circumference is equal to 2 into 22 into 2, which is equal to 88 cm. Okay students, this is the time for our assignment. Do the assignment given in your classwork notebook and send the images to the class group. To get the better practice, do the answers for the questions given in your textbook frequently. With this end, we have come to conclude this session. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care.